In this episode, we are going to be continuing with sets or objective. Name and list members in the intersection or union of two sets. It's Annie's birthday and she asked her mom if instead of having a party, she could invite 4 of her friends out to their favorite restaurant. Her mom agrees. On the day, Annie and to go to a restaurant called Little Everything, where they each order the following meals. Annie, sweet and sour chicken, roast beef, white rice, raw veg, carrot juice. Stacy, curry mutton, fried chicken, rice and peas, steamed veg. Jade, roast beef, fried chicken, yellow rice, cucumber and carrots, orange juice and fries. Daisha, steamed fish with crackers, mashed potatoes and soda. Alia, fried chicken, fries and orange juice. Annie and her friends want to play a little game. They decide to group their food items they ordered according to the following group. Let me read that again. They decided to group the different food items they ordered according to the following groups. So here we have meats, sides, veg, juices. Let's go with this. So meats, we would have chicken here, roast beef. Yes, roast beef is there already. Well, this is sweet and sour chicken, and then we have fried chicken there. We have roast beef already, and we have fried chicken already. Let's see. Steamed fish is another one, and we had fried chicken already. Cool. Sides. Let's see. We see fries, mashed potato here. For Jade, any sides? Not seeing that. Well, unless you want to call the rice the sides, then fine, rice would be there. Let's see, rice and peas there, white rice there. Veg. So we have raw veg there. Then we have steamed veg. Carrot and cucumbers. Not certain how those are served, but that's there. Let's go. And here, no veg for Alia. Alia has fried chicken, fries, and orange juice. So juices now, we see orange juice, we see soda, orange juice again. We don't see any juice for this one. For Stacy, don't see any juice there. We see carrot juice for Annie. Isn't it fun to play the grouping game? Annie asked. Daisha replies, yes it was. I have an idea. How about this time we group according to what our orders had in common? Great idea, replies Annie. For example, Stacy, Jade and Alia all ordered fried chicken. Okay. Do you see any more groups like this? If so, can you name them and say what do they have in common? Can we see any more that all of them would have ordered? Let's see. I see. No. Would have to double check this one again. If you can come up with any other that they have in common, they all have in common, then fine. All right, explore. Look around your class or home and identify at least 4 sets. List the members of each of your sets. Okay, so set A, we could have like things in your bag to go to school. Okay, so I have books, we have pencils, we have erasers, we can have rulers and other such things. Okay, all within my book bag. Okay, at home we could have the set of utensils that we use for eating. At the table we could have our knives or forks or spoons, right? Yeah. Okay. Let's see here. Anything else? So you can fill these two in. Now, look carefully at your sets and say if any of them share any common members. Write down the names of the sets and list the common members, if any. Okay, so for the two that I did with the book bag and the utensils, no common members would have been there. Let's explain. Now look at a few terms used to describe sets. Intersection. Set intersection refers to common members found among two sets being compared. Let's look at these two sets. Set E has the members 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, while set P has the numbers 2, 3, 5, and 7. So these would be one. This is another. Can you see what's common among these sets? If you say 2, then you are correct. Great job. So here, there is a member here called 2. So that would be common. All right. So 2 is common among both sets. Now, how do you represent the intersecting of two sets? We use the symbol that looks like this. One that kind of looks like a little N. It's not an N though, you know. It looks like a little N. For example, we would say E intersects P, or the intersection of E and P would be the element 2. Okay, that can be found in both. So intersection, what they have in common. Union. So we move from intersection, now we're going to union. The union of sets refers to all the members in all the sets compared. Can you list the union of these sets? So again, E, set E, 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And then set P, 2, 3, 5, and 7. If you listed 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, then you are correct. But how do we represent this correctly? This is how. We use the symbol, no, the one that looks like a U. Not a U though, you know, but it looks like a U. When the union, no, let me go with this again. So we use the symbol, the one that looks like U, when showing union of sets. For example, the union of set E and P is equal to 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So all the members are there without repeating any of the members. So look at this. So we have 0, then you have 2. We don't write 2 again. So you have 0, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. So if the members repeat, we do not include them any repeating when we are listing the union. Okay. Now we move to subset. Now subsets refer to a set that shares all of its members or elements with another set. The symbol for subset is one that looks like a C. Okay. All right. Look at this example. So let's look at this example. Set N and O. Set N has the members 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Set O has 1, 3, 5, and 7. Observe closely that all the members of set O can be found in set N. Therefore, set O is a subset of set N. We had done some questions from the ability test that asked us to identify subsets. In those examples, we were looking at circles, and if we could find our little circle inside a bigger circle, then we would have known that the little ones would have been a subset of the larger one. Hope you remember that one. Extend. It says here, observe the following images and say what they have in common or how these sets intersect. Okay, so we have some Jamaican athletes here. These are the female athletes. These are the male athletes. So what they have in common, they're all athletes. However, we have females versus males. Okay. So yeah. And one thing they have in common, they are Jamaican athletes. All right. So here we have boy here, you know, what appears to be some form of a teacher or someone giving him some instruction. And these look like some students here. Okay, so maybe they are both at school. Maybe. Not certain if there's a teacher here with them, but there's a teacher here with this one. All right, so in this episode, we looked at the intersection and union of sets, and also a little bit about subsets. All right, guys, take care. I'll see you in the next episode.